Have you ever taken a perfect photo only to realize later that there is an unwanted object or photo bomber in the background? In this video, we'll show you how to easily remove those distractions using Google Magic Eraser. Step 1. Launch the Google Photos app on your phone. Then find the photo on which you want to use the Magic Eraser tool. Tap on the Edit button. Scroll the available options and select Tools. Then tap on Magic Eraser. Google Photos will automatically try to find unwanted objects. If it identifies what you would like to remove, tap Erase All. You can also circle or brush over what you want to remove. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can easily remove unwanted objects from your photos using Google Magic Eraser. Thanks for watching. Do like and subscribe the video to support the channel. Thank you.